Let's start with cooking verbs in English. Melt. The ice cream is melting. Melt. Slice. I like the slice of pizza. Slice. Mix. Please mix the flour with some eggs. Mix. Pinch. He put a pinch of salt on his food. Pinch. Sift. Sift the flour finely before adding it to the mixture. Knead. I knead the dough for the bread. Knead. Roll out. Roll out. Roll out the dough again into a circle. Break. Break. He is breaking an egg into a bowl. Peel. Peel. Please peel a potato for cooking. Peel. Spread. Spread. Please spread some butter on the slice of bread. Fry. Fry. He is frying a fish for lunch. Fry. Pour. Pour. Please pour cold water into the glass. Pour. Squeeze. Squeeze. Please squeeze the lemon into a cup. Squeeze. Shout. Shout. Please shout the onion for 1 minute. Shout. Shout. Boil. Boil. The water is boiling. Boil. Steam. Steam. The kettle is steaming. The kettle is steaming. Chop. Chop. I need to chop the onions for the dish. Grate. Grate. Please grate the cheese for making chapati. Cut. She is cutting cucumber in cubes. Cut. Roast. She is roasting the fish. Please subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.